Hi guys, I'm sorry I'm not there. Hopefully I'll be back soon. Love you and miss you. Happy birthday, Aaron. So you've ripped out pages 471 through 473. So let's go over that. So number 1, or A, says a statement that describes a relationship between numbers or objects. That is a rule. So number 8 is A. B is a pattern that uses numbers. B is 4. C is a sentence that contains an equal sign. That is number 1. Number 1 is C. D is an amount that is not known. That's number 11. D. E is a mathematical process such as subtraction, addition, multiplication, or division. That's number 5. E. Number 6. F is a collection of terms that show a pattern. That is a sequence. So number 9 is F. A sequence showing a relationship among numbers that are among terms that are not numbers. That is a non-numeric pattern. So 3 is G. Each number in a sequence is a term. So 10 is H. The result of an input quantity being changed. That is the output. So number 6 is I. A sequence of terms that follow a certain order. That is the pattern. So 7 is J. And then a quantity that is changed to produce the output is number 2, input. So 1 is C, 2 is K, 3 is G, 4 is B, 5 is E, 6 is I, 7 is J, 8 is A, 9 is F, 10 is H, 11 is D. So you need to study those vocab words for your vocab quiz tomorrow. You can study with these, you can study with your vocab cards, you can study with the Wayground, or you can study with the GimKit. Okay, turn it over. These are your bonus questions. Do you have to do the bonus? No. Should you do the bonus? Yes. So we're going to circle our bonus. Number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 17, number 18, number 19, number 20, number 21. So on this page, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then on the next page is 23. Okay, so you're going to put all of those papers in your binder for bonus. They're due tomorrow. Okay. So then you're going to pause the video and they're going to pass out the study guide. And then when you're ready, you can push play. So make sure you put your name on this. And then I want you to look at number 1. So pay attention because look at it's different. 1 moon, 2 circles, 3 squares, 2 moons, 4 circles. So think about that. Okay. Okay, number 2, you need to pay attention to it as well. From 2 to 6, they did something. But from 6 to 3, they did something different. But from 3 to 9, they did the same thing as they did from 2 to 6. So this one and this one, 2 and 6, and 3 and 9, they did the same thing. So it could be adding, it could be multiplying, it could be dividing, or it could be subtracting. If it's going up, it's multiplying or adding. And 2 to 6 is going up, so it's got to be multiplying or adding. Okay, then from 6 to 3 and 9 to 6, they did the same thing. And those are going down, so it's got to be subtracting or dividing. And then follow the pattern, and then you should be able to fill in the blank. Okay, for numbers 3 through 7, you need to write this down. I want you to write this down right now. And if you need to pause the video for them to write that down, you guys can just put the signs. You don't have to put the words. If you want to put the parenthesis signs, you can put the multiply or divide sign. 1, parentheses, 2, multiply / divide, 3, add or subtract. You gotta follow the order of operations. So like number 3, 8 plus 12 divided by 2. You don't add first, you would divide first. 12 divided by 2 is what? And then you add the 8. You do that for 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. For number 8, you need to circle A equals 4. Circle A equals 4. And that means you plug in 4 for every A and solve it. Okay? Okay. So like 4 times 6 plus 3. 12 minus parentheses 24 divided by 4. Follow the order of operations too. Okay, number 11. So a movie ticket costs $7. Circle 7. And a drink costs $2. Circle 2. How much does it cost to buy 5 tickets? Circle 5. And 4 drinks? Circle 4. So how much is a ticket? 7. And how many are we buying? 5. So what would we do with 7 and 5? We would times them. And then we do the drink. So the drink is $2. And how many are there? 4. So we times them. And then we want to know how much it costs to buy both. So we would add them. Okay, so that's what you do for number 11. Number 12, 4 fish, 8 fish, 12 fish. What would be next? Number 13 has 3 different answers. Cody earns $8 for each dog he walks. He also earns $10 each week for doing chores at home. What will Cody earn if he walks 1, 2, or 3 dogs in 1 week? So we have 1 dog. How much is a dog? 8. So you do 1 times 8. And then how much does he get for his chores? 10. What would we do with the 10? Right, you would add it. So then we do 2 dogs. So we do 2 times 8 plus 10. Then we do 3 dogs, 3 times 8 plus 10. And you got to solve those, okay? You got to solve number 11 too. That's not the answer. You got to solve them, okay? Oops. Okay, number 14. You got to write the equation and the equation for 15 and then fill in the boxes. So 14, A, and then what they do from 5 to 8. They went up. So is it multiplying? 5 times something equals 8? No, so it has to be adding. 5 plus what is 8? 3. So A plus 3 equals B. And then you would fill these in. 14 plus 3, 17 plus 3. Okay, I want you to try the equation for 15. G, and then what are they doing from 54 to 9? And then write your equation, and then fill in the boxes. And then number 16, you fill in the boxes. You put 3 for C. 7 plus 3 times 3. And solve it. Then you do 7 plus 3 times 4. And solve it. So you need to do this right now. Okay? And then check it. Make sure it's all correct. And then you put it in your binder and get it signed for bonus. Okay? And then you do the stuff on the board. The multiplication paper, morning work, Wayground, 99 math. Then you need to do, there's an assignment about growing and repeating patterns on math, Google Classroom that you need to do. Just try your best, okay? Try your best. Okay, I know it's something kind of new, but try your best, okay? Okay, be very good on your best behavior. Love you guys, and I'll see you when I get back. Get your study guide done.